Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming iOS is updated and you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and tap Screen Time, turn it on immediately. Choose whether this is your iPhone or a child's device so default behaviors make sense. Next, set a screen time passcode to prevent changes. Doing this first locks preferences and enables reporting and limits. This setup step is essential because without a passcode and correct account context, limits and downtime won't behave as intended. Now configure the actual controls. Tap App Limits and add categories or individual apps, then assign daily time allowances. Start small and adjust. Once limits exist, schedule downtime to block most apps during chosen hours. Make sure to allow phone and necessary utilities. Use Always Allowed to exempt essential apps such as phone, maps, or a medical app so functionality remains. As you set these, think about weekday versus weekend differences and tailor limits to fit routines for better compliance. Finish by reviewing the screen time report daily to see which apps consume time and tweak limits accordingly. If you used family sharing, manage child devices from your device and approve requests remotely. If the screen time passcode is forgotten, use your Apple ID to reset it or follow Apple's device restore path. Make sure you have backups. If limits aren't enforced, confirm screen time is active, passcode set, and all devices use the same Apple ID. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.